cooperate the students, and they will present the teacher guests. Okay. At a second verse, the students will have given their name to Darwin the guests. Please come on the stage. Don't hesitate. Don't take late. Tomorrow late করো না। আমি আমাদের গেস্টকে সামনে রেখে বেশি কথা বলতে চাচ্ছি না। আমি একটাই কথাই বলবো, I am really very much thankful. We are really very much grateful that being so much busy, ওনারা অতি ব্যস্ত থাকা সত্ত্বেও যে আমাদের ডাকে ওনারা সাড়া দিয়েছেন, হ্যাঁ ওনাদের এত ব্যস্ততা থাকা সত্ত্বেও যে আমাদের একটু টাইম দিয়েছেন, আমরা ওনাদেরকে কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করছি। এবং হ্যাঁ আমি আমার অন্তঃস্থল থেকে ওদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন করছি। Even one of my teacher, Najmullah Khan, he told me that even he told me that our language also. So I am again giving him thanks that he has come and given us time. Being so much busy in his life, he has given us time. We are really very much thankful to all of you guys. First of all, I'm requesting Tajul Islam, you please come on the stage and garland our Abu Hussain Pasar with the help of the towels. Our government high school, please give a clap for him. He is so much busy, even though he is given us time. Give a clap for him. Next, I'm requesting Devang, please come on the stage and garland our professor, the assistant teacher of Shahabat Amir School, with the help of the towels. Please garland our sir. Give a clap for him also. Again, I am requesting Jubair Ahmed, please come on the stage and garland our big professor, who is our at present teacher of what is with, even though he is the teacher of Eskara College. Please garland him with the help of towels. I am requesting Mehboob to please come on the stage and garland our Najmul sir. He is the present teacher of Shahabat High Madrasa. Please garland him with the help of the towels. We are really grateful to him also. He is too much busy and even though he is given a time, please give a clap for him also. Next, I am requesting Tawheed to please come on the stage and garland our Amir Hussain sir with the help of the towels. Give a clap for him also. আমরা অত্যন্ত বেশি খুশি, কারণ আজকালকার দিনের মধ্যে প্রত্যেক মানুষ ওনাদের কাজের জন্য অনেক ব্যস্ত থাকে। এরপরেও ওনারা যে আমাদেরকে এত সময় দিয়ে এসে আমাদেরকে এত খুশি করেছেন, আমি আবার ওদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। আমি আবার যাচ্ছি আমার মাইন্ডের পড়বে। I am requesting Jubair Ahmed, please come on the stage and garland with the help of this garland our Abdul Jalil sir, who is the ex-teacher of Abdul Jalil sir, who is the ex-superintendent of Pasajula Senior Madrasa. Please garland with the help of the towels. Thank you sir for coming here. Thank you so much. Please garland sir. Thank you so much, our guests. We are very much happy that you have given us time. So now I am requesting our guests to give their very good speech. We have limited time. I am very much sorry that we cannot given them more times. So I am requesting all the teachers to give shortly their speech according to this program, according to their occasion. So firstly, I am requesting the Abu Hussain Pasar. Give a clap for him. Give a clap. Give a loud clap. I am requesting Abu Hussain Pasar, who is the most energetic teacher of government high school. Whenever he came to government high school, he changed the environment. My brother is studying in government high school. I know the environment of government high school. He has changed the government school environment. Whenever he came, so give a clap for him again also. Give a clap. I am requesting Abu Hussain Pasar to give him valuable speech. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.